allegedly kidnapped on the 6th of September, and her whereabouts are still unknown. Worried parents allege no help from the police. Tired with no solution in mind, the victim's family approached the state's Khadi and Village Industries Minister Kailash Yadav hoping for some aid. But this was the response they got from the minister.
मेरे सामने अपनी आप समस्या रखते हैं, आपने अपना डेलीगेशन लेकर आया, उसके बाद जब काम नहीं होता तो उसके बाद में क्यों मुलाकात बुलवाए? क्यों मुलाकात बुलवाए? क्या समझ रहे हो? सॉरी की ऐसी की तरह सारी बोलो। सारी माना क्या होता है जी? अकेले आना जी अकेले आना, अगर आके अगर एक के बाद अगर दूसरा हुआ तो वहीं जेल भेजवा दूंगा, बता दे रहा हूँ। आवाइंदा से ऐसी गलती करूँगा।
Victims' family members had allegedly raised demonstrations outrightly condemning the approach of the UP police, which upset the minister.
तुम्हारा काम नहीं होगा, ज्यादा करोगे तो मैं सब लोग जेल पहुंचा दूंगी। अभी
आपने बताया कि हमारी लड़की गायब है, हम खुद परेशान हैं।
हाँ, बता दिया हमने।
क्या बोले?
हमने नहीं बोला कि हमारे 6 तारीख को लड़की गुम हो गई। आज 6 तारीख से आज तक कुछ कार्रवाई कोई नहीं कर पा रहा।
Uttar Pradesh's law and order situation has already brought the state government under fire. But more and more incidents of lawlessness are adding up to the government's challenge. Bureau Report, Times Now.
Well, let's quickly turn our attention to a news alert that's coming in. We're talking about cricket. It's looking good for Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is stunning Pakistan by 24 runs at the second test at Harare. Pakistan bowled out for 239 in the second innings. In fact, let's remind you that the last time they beat Pakistan, that Zimbabwe, was in a test in 1998. It's the first test win against a team other than Bangladesh since 2001. And now on to something else altogether. He's a Telugu film industry heartthrob, a doting son to a legendary father and a loving husband as well. Here's a sneak peek into this week's episode of Star.
Last day of my shoot of this movie, Yavaru. So we're all excited and thought it was the right moment.
Ready? Camera! Papers!
He's not camera friendly, I'm sorry, like us. Like a human, when it interacts. It hates people shouting at him. It hates people bossing him around. They are my kids. My dog and my horse. The things that attract you to be an actor first. You want to be known, you want to sign autographs, you want people to clap for you when you do something good. These little things, stupid things attracted me, actually. I was just looking at my dad. When he steps out, people, going mad over, when he steps out of the house, mad about him. And all these little things attracted me, and I told him, Dad, I want to become an actor too.
But from childhood, Charan, he never showed any interest towards acting. Subconsciously, he wants to be an actor, but he never expressed it. And on top of it, he used to say, whenever we asked what's your interest in the future, he used to say, I want to become an engineer, I want to become an automobile engineer, since he is interested in cars and other things.
End of the day, I think when we go onto the streets, when we go out, we like people to recognize us, appreciate for the work we've done, say, hey buddy, can I have an autograph or can I have a picture with you?
We were friends I didn't like him very much in the beginning. But he's the only guy that I feel that has challenged me.
Okay.
So that's why I felt, there must be something in this guy that, he challenged me. Because, I come from a family where women are powerful.
The best part about my marriage is I married my best friend. As a couple, maybe we are in our 40s in terms of understanding each other.
Well, you can catch more of that at 8 p.m. tonight on The Star. But right now, that's all that we have time for on this bulletin. The Power of Shunya is up next.
तुमको मैं चुरा लूंगा तुमसे दिल में छुपा लूंगा
Wildstone, pack of 3 soaps, now ₹60 only.
Srimad Dadru Sheikh Halwai Ganpati Temple and Times Music presents live artists from Srimad Dadru Sheikh Halwai Ganpati Temple. And Srimad Moria with celebrity singers.
To pioneer, to engineer, to innovate, to imagine, to fly, to serve, today, tomorrow.
और मेरी अम्मी हमेशा कहता है कि कभी-कभी गलत ट्रेन भी सही जगह पहुंचा देती है।
बोले अम्मी के
हाँ
तुम बोले तुम तो अनाथ हो।
हाँ मतलब अनाथ, लेकिन मेरी अम्मी हमेशा कहती हैं ये बोलने में वजन आता है, ऐसा अच्छा लगता है।
थैंक यू। एनएसएस को सही जानकारी देना मेरा ड्यूटी था, मैंने दिया।
शॉप जानकारी ठीक देगा तो भी तो ठीक नीति बनेगा ना।
असी कितने पीछे रहने वाले सी भाई, एनएसएसओ वालों ने जो भी कुछ हमसे पूछा हमने साथ साथ बता दिया।
हमारा कंट्री इतना तरक्की कर रहा है तो हमारा कंट्रीब्यूशन भी होना चाहिए, इसलिए हम एनएसएसओ को सही बताया।
एनएसएसओ वाले सारी जानकारी कॉन्फिडेंशियल रखते हैं, इसीलिए मैंने सब कुछ सही बता दिया।
निभाएं अपनी जिम्मेदारी, एनएसएसओ को दे सही जानकारी।
एक बहुत लंबी लड़ी है, बहुत पुरानी, जिसकी आप एक कड़ी है। वो आपके पहले थे, वो आपके बाद भी रहेंगे, क्योंकि माँ बाप कहीं जाते नहीं, वो यहीं रहते हैं सदियों के लिए।
ये 3 बीवियों के साथ 3 तिजोरियां क्या कर रही है?
इन पर हमारा भी हक है, क्योंकि साली आदि घरवाली होती है।
मार्लो भी बड़ी जोकी है ना।
कहीं इसका जोक हमारी ठोक न दे।
किसने हमें एमएमएस भेजा है, जहाँ मैं मेरी के साथ और मार्लो के साथ।
थैंक गॉड, मुझे कोई एमएमएस भेज नहीं सकता। क्यों? क्योंकि मेरा फोन तो मेरी बीवी के पास है।
Welcome to India Wants to Know. Mr. Venkat, आप ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करते हैं?
Of course, with Flipkart. घर बैठे ऑर्डर करो, no lines, no traffic.
Talking about traffic is a conspiracy to shame the government.
Hold on to that thought. We are getting a live feed. Disturbing images.
पर ये ऑनलाइन वालों की गारंटी क्या है?
फ्लिपकार्ट की गारंटी है ना, पहले डिलीवरी फिर कैश।
मुद्दा प्राइसिंग का है।
फ्लिपकार्ट पे डील देखिए नेताजी, आप भी ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग को वोट देंगे।
Flipkart is the new way to shop. अब सिर्फ शॉपिंग नहीं, फ्लिपकार्ट करो।
ये 3 बीवियों के साथ 3 तिजोरियां क्या कर रही है?
इन पर हमारा भी हक है, क्योंकि साली आदि घरवाली होती है।
मार्लो भी बड़ी जोकी है ना।
कहीं इसका जोक हमारी ठोक न दे।
किसने हमें एमएमएस भेजा है, जहाँ मैं मेरी के साथ और मार्लो के साथ।
थैंक गॉड, मुझे कोई एमएमएस भेज नहीं सकता। क्यों? क्योंकि मेरा फोन तो मेरी बीवी के पास है।
मेरा और इस दुनिया का अजीब रिश्ता है. We both hate each other equally. कमजोरी दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी बीमारी होती है.
Deco. Live beautiful.
Your room next.
मेरा वंश आ गया. मैं उस युग पुरुष के दर्शन करने आया हूँ जिसने यहाँ पुत्र बनकर जन्म लिया.
ये कोई ज्ञानी वैरागी नहीं होगा मुनिवर. ये बुद्ध नहीं, योद्धा होगा, योद्धा.
राजन, तेरा पुत्र सन्यासी बने.
सिस्का LED लाइट्स प्रेजेंट्स बुद्ध पावर्ड बाय क्रिस्टल. कल सुबह 11 बजे ZTV पर.
कैन प्योरीफायर्स पानी को बनाए 100% प्योर?
क्योंकि इसमें है डबल प्योरिफिकेशन RO और UV से.
कैंट देता है सबसे शुद्ध पानी.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
I want to see you now.
अभी नहीं.
जानते हो मैं कहाँ हूँ? टेरेस पे. और यहाँ से हर एक चीज बहुत छोटी दिखती है.
तो कूद जाओ. एक बार नहीं 2 बार. हाइट कम है ना टेरेस की.
Collapsing infrastructure, stolen power, 10-hour outages, overwhelming demand. India's electricity issues are the obstacles holding back our rising economy. Just over a year ago, we suffered the embarrassment of becoming the home of the largest power outage in history. What does it say about our growing superpower status when a quarter of our citizens have no electricity and those who do can't even rely on what they receive? Many say India is decades away from sufficient energy supply, but there are companies and individuals who are determined to lead us out of these dark days much sooner. So can we get there in a substantial way, or must we buy and burn more coal? Can the power of Shunya bring light to the lives of millions? Can we achieve consistent electrification at minimal cost? In today's quest for zero, we will meet individuals and companies who are lighting homes and in turn lighting up lives. Our story begins at the heart of the outdated electricity grid, where blackouts are common due to power distribution failures. In fact, agriculture belts face up to 22% power failures due to high overloading, oil theft and poor maintenance of transformers. What's more, most of the transformers use oil, which in turn uses fossil fuels. Not only are these bad for the environment, but they are also high maintenance and take the longest time to repair. So how do we replace these dinosaurs with something a little more reliable transformers that can work towards a zero failure rate? In our next story, we will learn about transformers that are able to take a continuous overload of up to 20% without any failures. Here is a look at what these transformers can achieve from Reliance and DuPont.
Mumbai, a city that never rests.
a city that is the engine of the Indian economy. Even the shortest of power failures in the financial capital results in huge losses to the economy.
Mumbai being the commercial capital of India, the city cannot afford to have any power interruption. It is interesting to